Great. Okay. So now we're going on to the next part of class. Oh, I'm shrinking. I'm shrinking. Okay. And what you should be doing, by now you should have turned in your test, done your skills check, and congratulations, you're watching the video right here. It says intro video. Okay. And the next thing we're going to be doing is starting our new unit. All right. So you're going to be taking notes and then doing some practice over here. Now, with the notes, what I want you to do is take your notebook and make a new section just like we had before. This one says chemical reactions. I can't tell. Is it going to be backwards for you? I don't know. Right, so you're going to do this thing where you flap it over, and then you're going to begin taking notes on this new section over here. And if you look at the wall, you'll see there's also a new entry, a whole new section for the table of contents. And the next unit, what we are doing is chemical reactions. So let me give you a sense of what that actually looks like. So first over here, what we've been doing so far in this class is combining different, or just sort of looking at individual elements. So for example, we know that carbon is the way it is because it's in this particular column and it's in this particular period. So we've just been looking at individual squares, really, on the periodic table. We just started to talk about combining metals and nonmetals. And that's what we're going to be doing in more detail, is seeing what happens when different elements get combined to make compounds. Compounds are a combination of two or more elements. And why I like this particular unit is because you can actually look at the reactions happening in front of you in real time. So for example, when we make bottle rockets, we'll be able to explain what is happening inside that rocket. When we make ice cream, you'll have a better understanding of how that works. On Thursday, we're going to be doing a lab where we actually cook. We're making a grilled cheese and some soda to drink with it. All right? And all of that is in the context of chemical reactions and what it looks like when they occur. So now, the first thing we need to do, though, is we're going to be talking about chemical reactions, is you're going to be having to take notes on this chemical versus physical change. And what we want to think about is what does a chemical reaction actually look like? How do you know if it's happened? So for example, if I have some peanut butter over here, when you're making peanut butter, is a chemical reaction happening when you blend all those items together? Is a chemical reaction happening when I scoop it out in my mouth right now? Is there a chemical reaction in my mouth happening? So we have to first, before we talk about chemical reactions, I'd be able to identify when one has actually happened in front of us. So that will be what you're taking notes on over here. And then you're going to do some practice on this sheet that you can pick up from the teacher, and whatever you don't finish will be your homework. All right, I will see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.